everyone.
Hi guys.
It's Lisa and Britt.
Hello.
And if you have babies and children and perhaps feel that they might need some attention, you have that fear that we might manually adjust them.
Yeah.
So do stick around because we're actually going to debunk that myth. We do not do that.
Not at all.
All
the
right.
opposite.
The opposite, in fact.
Because whenever you think of a chiropractor, you think of people cracking your bones. I feel like that is the most common thing that, whenever somebody thinks of chiropractic, they think of cracking. And I think then as an adult, and especially if you as an adult have had chiropractic care in the past, you may receive a manual adjustment. Some patients that we have like that more manual therapy, but there's so many different ways to adjust. And the big thing that we want to put out there to everyone is that we never manually adjust babies or children. It is the most gentle form of care.
Yes.
So there is no manual therapy involved with that care for children and babies especially.
I think people are watching too many
There's a lot of stuff on
in
YouTube.
social media, YouTube,
Yeah.
of like big adjustments that are happening.
Yeah.
So look, I would be fearful too if
Yes.
that's what I truly felt was that they would, a chiropractor was going to do that to my baby or child.
Oh, definitely.
I wouldn't be taking them either. But we're here to let you know that we really do not adjust babies and children, and there are fabulous reasons why we don't do that.
Because their little bones and their developing bodies only need the very, very small pressure. It's just a fingertip pressure that we put on when we do, we check out our small little patients in the practice. And it's really the pressure that you could withstand if I put pressure on your eyeball. Yeah. So it's a really gentle release. It's all about making sure that their nervous system is free of interference, their spine is moving the way it should, because the birth process is a traumatic one. So
we are very much aware as chiropractors that babies are not a miniature adult.
no, not at all.
Not at all. They're not a miniature adult in
No.
terms of their development, but in terms of their spine.
Their spine's completely different as well.
We actually don't completely ossify all of our spine until we're in our mid-20s.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
so part of our, like right down the base in that sacrum, doesn't ossify until our mid-20s, which is amazing. So, we just know, we know the anatomy, we know how that baby develops, and there's a lot of cartilage in there, in that spine. So the bits that are sticking out that you'll see on the edges, they're not all joined fully in babies. They're very much cartilaginous. So we do need to obviously be careful. And we are primary contact practitioners. We are trained.
We do. Every year we do even more training to make sure we've got all the up-to-date techniques and research that comes to looking after our small little patients in the practice as well. And then as they develop out of that baby stage, as more coming into school age, there can be times where we use this little gadget here called an activator, and this is still a very, very gentle technique. A lot of the kids in the practice call it the clicker. And there's even a great little thing that another chiropractor has actually created, and it's called a chiro clicker. So we've got quite a few little patients at home that have got one of these, and they're always adjusting their toys.
The thing that we're talking about this month in November is all about these myths around chiropractic and safety and children, a lot of things that perhaps are stopping people from really benefiting from having a really healthy spine, whether it is for your babies or your children or yourselves, because at the end of the day, if you don't personally know someone who has been to a chiropractor, you're less likely to bring your kids in or refer other people.
Sometimes if you've got these misconceptions, then it's hard to break them down.
Well, think about it, because the reasons why parents will bring their kids in is, like you said already, there might be a birth trauma. But think about when kids are learning to walk.
How many times do they fall over a day? In an hour, really? When they're trying to walk and get that balance steady as well.
But the unfortunate thing is there are accidents, sometimes babies roll off couches or beds or, as they get older, then they fall off their bikes, and, footy and soccer incidences, and the list just goes on. So it is important to make sure those little spines are super healthy.
So I hope that's been really informative for anyone out there who is unsure how we treat babies and children in practice, and I hope it's allowed you guys to open up to the idea of if your child is needing some care, that chiropractic could be really helpful as well.
Yes, excellent. And thanks for watching, everyone. Take care. We'll see you all next time.
Bye for now.
Bye.